Welcome to Nalla Narasimha Reddy Education Society group of institutions. This is Kameshwari. My subject watershed management. In that unit 2 erosion controls. The today topic is bench terracing. Bench terracing. So what is terracing? First of all, what is terracing? Terracing are small, flat, bench-like fields or level layers prepared in the slopes to reduce the downhill flow of water downhill flow of water and reduce soil erosion, retain soil terracing and control the sediment loss. What is the definition of terracing? It is a small or flat and level layers prepared in the slope reduce the downhill flow of water and reduce the soil erosion, retain soil terracing and control the sediment loss and sedimentation loss. Bench terracing are an engineered measures for soil and water conservation. The main this one is soil erosion and soil conservation. So in these engineering measures for soil and water conservation, they appears like level field of zero slopes constructed across steep hill slopes with the following objectives. What is that? To reduce surface water runoff. To reduce the surface water runoff and also to improve soil moisture. To improve the soil moisture and also to promote farming practices and irrigation for conserve to cultivate cultivable land and also to utilize the land for protective use. And these bench terracing are different types, that are reverse bench terrace, level benches and inward and outward. So it's used for engineered soil conservation practices and also bench terracing. And this is the bench terracing. It is used for hillside. This is used for hillside, downhill flow of water. This is the bench terracing. Figure shows the bench terracing. So this is step by step bench, like step by step process, bench process. And the history of bench terracing concept, in Citrus Orlan in southern France, provides China and Lebanon hillside, and also it is in 2500 years ago. This is also used nowadays also. And also, what are the different objectives of this one? To reduce the surface runoff and also to conserve soil moisture and fertility and to facilitate crop operation and also to promote farming practices and irrigation for conservation, to cultivate land, to promote intensive land use and permanent agriculture on slopes and reduce shifting cultivation, to improve the soil moisture and also to reduce the surface runoff, to utilize the land for protecting use and applicability. This practice can be done where there is deep, heavy clay soil rather than in very sandy soil. Very deep, heavy clay rather than in very sandy soil, and typically not applicable for slope of decomposed granitic material or any significantly sandy soil because of excessive slugging of materials and construction difficulties. Be managed on soil having slope up to 30%. The slope up to 30%. In that ways, it is applicable for using this type of test. And locations and conditions and use. So, survey erosion hazards. Areas where there are food shortages are high unemployment rates, where crops require flood irrigation, survey erosion hazards. Survey erosion hazards. Erosion hazards. So bench terrace are practically utilized to countries or communities with the following macro conditions. The conditions are used for this bench terracing is small holding and dense population, and areas where there is a food shortage or high employment rates, and also flood irrigation, and areas where crops require flood irrigation. In that areas we can use this method. And for microsite conditions, bench terracing is useful in the following reasons: on slope not exceeding 25 degrees, and also on site which are not beset by gullies and not to. So the method is like this way: cut and fill. So excavate the soil, excavate the hill downside, and cut, and then placing the crop, and then fill. Cut and organ land profile and fill. Cut and fill. This method is cut and fill method. So you are already seeing figure. So this is cut, and this is fill. This is fill. This is cut. Cut and fill. Cut and fill. So like this way. And types of bench terracing are different types: level or table top bench terrace, and sloping inwards bench terrace, sloping outward bench terrace, and conservation type bench terrace. These are the different methods in a different ways for using the bench terracing: level or table of top bench terrace, and the sloping inwards and outwards, and conservation type bench terrace. So there are inward sloping terraces when the excess water is drained off at the earliest into the inward slope. So excess water will be drained off into the inward slope. And tabletop terraces and built in areas with moderate rainfall, high permeable and deep soils. Some of built-in areas, paddy terraces, built-in areas with the moderate rainfall, high permeable and deep soils. Such terraces are used for growing paddy, as it needs uniform impounding of water. So inward means excess water will be drain out to forward into the inward direction. So these are the different types of bench terracings that are discussed in further classes. And also outward, just we can discuss in briefly. And also outward bench terracing means the type of terrace is constructed in the region of low rainfall and shallow soil. That means shallow means low, shallow means low. Deep means larger depth. Very small depth we can use for outward bench terracing. And also conserve type bench terracing. So conserve the soil. And also California type of terrace are different type of methods also used for bench terracing. That one you can discuss in the next classes. Thank you.